Welcome back to my channel. Revved Up Ride. The Aprilia RSV4 is one of the most revered superbikes in the world, blending cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and race-proven performance. Since its debut in 2009, the RSV4 has consistently evolved, setting new benchmarks for power, handling, and aerodynamics. It remains a favorite among enthusiasts who crave a high-performance machine with a distinct Italian flair. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 is a 1099cc V4 engine, delivering 217 horsepower and around 125 Nm of torque. This powerhouse offers an exhilarating riding experience, with a linear power delivery and a spine-tingling exhaust note. The V4 configuration provides an optimal balance between high revving power and mid-range torque, making it a beast both on the street and the track. The RSV4 features ride-by-wire throttle technology and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor power delivery to different conditions. Whether cruising on highways or pushing limits on a racetrack, the RSV4's engine ensures breathtaking acceleration and responsiveness. Chassis and handling. Aprilia has always been known for its precision handling, and the RSV4 is no exception. The bike features an aluminum twin-spar frame, inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP experience. This chassis design, combined with a top-tier Öhlins suspension system, offers exceptional stability and cornering agility. The RSV4 also comes equipped with Brembo-style brakes, ensuring strong and progressive stopping power. Advanced aerodynamics, including integrated winglets, help improve stability at high speeds by generating downforce. Technology and electronics. Aprilia has outfitted the RSV4 with some of the most advanced electronics available on a production motorcycle. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, quick shifter and auto blipper. The TFT display provides an intuitive interface for adjusting settings and monitoring performance metrics. Connectivity features allow riders to link their smartphones for navigation and telemetry data. Variants and pricing. The RSV4 is available in two main variants. 1. RSV4 Standard offers the full RSV4 experience with a more street-oriented setup. 2. RSV4 Factory, a more track-focused version featuring premium Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, lightweight forged wheels, and additional performance enhancements. Pricing varies depending on the model and region, but the RSV4 competes with superbikes like the Ducati Panigale V4 and BMW S1000RR. Conclusion. The Aprilia RSV4 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining raw power, agile handling, and advanced electronics. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a high-performance track machine or an enthusiast seeking an exhilarating ride, the RSV4 stands as one of the finest superbikes money can buy.